Hello students, welcome to my maths classes. Today's topic is sequences and series, and in this question we are going to discuss about arithmetic progressions, which is a special sequence represented by its first term and the common difference between their consecutive terms. So our question is, if A1, A2, A3 and An are in AP. So if you are given this sequence are in AP with the common difference D, which is non-zero, then you have to show that sin D into cosec A cosec A2 plus cosec A2 cosec A3 plus so on cosec An minus 1 into cosec An is equals to cot A1 minus cot An. So first of all, first of all consider this left hand side. Consider left hand side, that is sin D cosec A1 cosec A2 plus cosec A2 cosec A3 plus so on till cosec An minus 1 into cosec An. Now you can change all the cosec into sine, since cosec is the reciprocal of sine function. So this can be written as 1 upon sine A1 sine A2 plus 1 upon sine A2 into sine A3 plus so on, and the last one is sine An minus 1 into sine An. Okay. Now sine D can be multiplied with the whole bracket, and you will get sine D upon sine A1 sine A2 plus sine D upon sine A2 into sine A3 plus so on sine D upon sine An minus 1 into sine An. Now what is D? D is the common difference between the consecutive terms. So D can be written as A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or so on till, and you will An minus 1. So D in they all are the difference between the consecutive terms are represented by D. So D can be replaced by them. Now this D can be replaced by A2 minus A1. So in A2 minus A1 लिख सकते हैं इस D की जगह, and in the denominator you have sin A1 sin A2, and this D can be replaced by A3 minus A2. So sin A3 minus A2 upon sin A2 into sin A3 plus so on the last D, this D can be replaced by An minus 1. Now the formula for sin A minus B is equals to sin A minus B is equals to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this can be written as sin A cos B minus cos A sin B upon sin A1 into sin A2. Here also we can write sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B divided by sin A2 into sin A3, and similarly the last one can be written as sin A cos B minus cos A into sin B divided by sin A n minus 1 into sin A n. और अगर आप डिनोमिनेटर को दोनों न्यूमरेटर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे देन यू विल गेट योर sin A2 will cancel out and you will get cot A1 minus sin A1 will cancel out and you will get cot A2. From here you will get sin A3 will cancel out, you will get cot A2 minus cot A3, and similarly in the last one is cot an will cancel out, an minus 1 minus cot an. And if you will observe, then cot A2 will cancel from the next, cot A3 will cancel from the next, and cot an minus will cancel from the previous term, and you are left with cot A1 minus cot an minus 1, and that is your right hand side.